forced to go out of state to tie the knot.
Stephen and Robert Wright were married in Washington state, where same-sex marriage is legal, but happened when they came home is kind of a totally different story. And Don Nelson is joining us to tell us more about being denied identity.
Well, Wright contacted Fox 9 On Your Side looking for answers when the state of Idaho said, "Not in my backyard."
Not being able to change my name was just kind of a slap in the face.
When Stephen Johnston and Robert Wright fell in love, they knew they wanted to take it to the next step. But that next step couldn't happen in Idaho.
In Idaho, we're second class.
So the two decided to travel to Washington state, where in 2012, their governor signed a same-sex marriage bill. Stephen took Robert's last name. He had it changed on his Social Security card and on his passport, and he thought he could change it on his driver's license. That is, until he walked into the Idaho DMV.
Nope, we can't do it.
Well,
We don't recognize same gender.
okay. I didn't think that it would go to the effect where I couldn't, change some of my documents, just like my license or something, something as simple as that.
But Stephen wouldn't take no for an answer. He went back again, and again, he was told this.
So, this is not a valid marriage certificate, though.
Well, I'm not necessarily going to say that. I'm just saying Idaho doesn't accept it.
Okay, so does Idaho not accept all Washington certificates?
It doesn't accept same-sex marriage.
So it's just this checkbox right here that's
we
the
didn't
issue.
even, it's what it is that is not recognized in the state of Idaho.
Even though the Department of Motor Vehicles is strictly following Idaho law, the Wrights say it's a matter of equal rights.
My best friend just got married, and she changed her license like that, and I'm stuck here I've got to go all through all these hoops and bounds,
It's anybody's guess when Idaho and other states that do not recognize same-sex marriage will be thrown into the national spotlight. Stephen doesn't expect anything anytime soon.
I don't think that Idaho is ready to perform gay marriages. I really don't think so, but I do think that they should be at least ahead of the curve to accept it if it's out of state.
Your attitude and the love you guys have for each other will not change.
No.
Our
Not at
marriage
all.
stays the same.
I
We're
mean,
married, right? We went to Washington. We're married just like any other couple.
Interesting. Now, we heard the audio tape that they made at DMV. Did you get a more definitive statement from DMV?
Yes, I called DMV in, if I may. They say in Idaho, same-sex marriage licenses from other states are not recognized in the Idaho Constitution. As a result, a person presenting a same-sex marriage license from another state would not be allowed to change his or her name on an Idaho driver's license. That is the official word from DMV.
Okay, so my question then is, why didn't Stephen just go and get his name legally changed,
You
right?
can do that for $140 and a waiting period of about 8 weeks. You can do that, but for Stephen, it's a matter of principle. He says, why should I have to do that when if there was a woman in front of me who just recently got married in Idaho, she just... in a way that she...
And it wouldn't cost them that $140.
And they wouldn't have to, yes, the price and the weight and the principle.
These are the battles that are going to come with the
This is
ruling
not
of
over.
the Supreme Court.